Hello everyone, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel, the iTech Creator. Guys, today in this video, I will share a video how to use your smartphone as webcam. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, let's move on the PC screen. As you can see, this is my webcam, and I will use as webcam this smartphone also. So guys, as you can see on the screen, this is a X split webcam. So guys, if you are not installed, so guys, check the description box, a link is available. Open the, you can see guys, sign in or sign up, click here. So continue with Google. So guys, this is my email ID. Yeah, you can see guys, you can change your background. You can see guys. So guys, now add background. You can add any media file, YouTube video, web page, and unflash photo. So guys, now move on the, this is a from web USB camera. So guys, now select the, connect your mobile, then so guys, now open in your smartphone Play Store, go to the Play Store, and then guys type here X Split. You can see guys, I am already installed these apps, and now open. You can see guys, and now select the Samsung M40. You can. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like and comment and share to your friends also for upcoming videos. Subscribe and click on the notification bell icon.